Presiden ke MPCC ba Vincent H. Pala, uloong baka daw baka parti ka Pyrshah ka Jinglet ay Jing Kyrhshan, jong ki Ngut ki MLA ka Kongres ka Sorkar MDA, Kadei Namar bayakane ka Sorkar, la Synrop lang ka parti BJP, kaba nakaliang ka parti hi, kamla ban pediang yakane, bat kam kwa hiru ban yatray lang, Namar nadu gipait ba ka jella, kim sngau tenat ya ka BJP, kumta ka parti Kongres ka sngap lem ya ka Jing sngau upait ba, omla banyai lain na kasur kipait ba. Bat kumba ka BJP hi, kalakran bakini baro larai hi da ka BJP, balada kini kisan ngut ki MLA, lada kinmi na ka parti, onamla ban ong, bakinyo tiket lot na kiway ki parti, henry kindon pat ki banyale na ka NPP, na ka UDP, watkum ki independent ru.
At the same time, you cannot compromise your ideology. That was the basic which I think. As long as BJP is there in the government, and the BJP has clearly stated that all this was planned by the BJP. Because the BJP, when they go to grassroots level, people they want to organize, people they don't accept them. So all this planned by them. So maybe MLAs also, not all the MLAs have the same conditions. Some MLAs like common trade might be easily adjusted. Many other MLAs also do not get ticket from the same party. Some may go to UDP, some may go to NPP, some may contest independence. And not only the MLAs' voice or the MLAs' ideas, so the voters also have to listen. We have a huge grassroots workers. So we cannot just throw the MLAs only because they don't like us or they like us or they don't want to join or they want to do this. But we have also to discuss with the grassroots level. So at the beginning we thought the MLAs will decide on their own, but now the grassroots starting approach me and approach Doctor also and approach all of us. They said, let us discuss with them also. Before we expel or before we suspended further, so let us discuss with them also. That's why all of them are waiting now.